Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do an updated nighttime routine video, and I'm not even gonna talk much. I'm just gonna jump right into it so y'all can see what I've been doing. And yeah, that's it. The first thing that I'm going to do is grab my favorite oil right now, which is none other than Alkane Naturals Essential 17 Growth Oil. And I use this every other night as instructed, and I just place the nozzle onto my scalp and pour about 1 drop per placement. And I'm just going to do this throughout my whole head. After it's all applied, I'm going to go in with my handy dandy scalp massager. And I'm just kind of going to tilt my head in various directions and also move my hair so I can really get into my scalp. I actually do this process for about 5 minutes just because I want to make sure that all of that growth oil is getting into my scalp and thoroughly nourishing it. Now that my scalp is on massage, I just shake my hair back out, and I am going to grab one of my smaller elastic bands and place my hair into a puff basically. And I'm grabbing a smaller one because I actually want to stretch my hair out even more for the morning. And then I'm going to place my huge satin bonnet over my hair, and I actually got this on Amazon, so I will link the information below in the description box. So yeah, y'all, it's so quick, so easy. It's something that I do just to make sure that all that blood flow is getting to my scalp. And honestly, scalp massages are just relaxing, so I incorporate the oil every other night, but I do scalp massages every night. If that makes sense to y'all. So if you have any questions, definitely comment in the comment box below. While you're down there, I guess you can scroll up a little bit, press the subscribe button. You can also share. I will post where you can buy the Alkane Naturals Essential 17 Growth Oil in the description box below. So definitely check that out. And as always, peace and love. To all my subscribers who know what that means, you know, if you know, it's okay. But peace and love until my next video. And I'll see y'all next time. I'll miss you. Okay. Signing off. Goodbye.